In this video I'm going to show you how to get Fall Guys on the Nintendo Switch 2. First, go to the Nintendo eShop, select the user, sign in, OK. Then scroll down to search and browse, go here to enter keyword, and here we need to type in Fall Guys. Select done, select search, and here we can see Fall Guys. So if we click on it, we can select here free download, scroll down, free download, continue shopping, and if you now go to the home menu, a new virtual card is added, and now you see Fall Guys is downloading. So that is how to get Fall Guys on the Nintendo Switch 2.